Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to cross-post to different or multiple Facebook groups at once. So, it will be a short video. So, just Google AI Groups Poster, click here, then install extension. I have installed it, also you can pin it. So, sorry, I'll log out. So, if you want to sign in with Google, you need to click here. Then there is open the website. So, click here. I have created the test account. Select it. Extension is connected, so you can go to extension. I have already created the test group, but to create it you click here. It is scene. After that you get scraped groups, or you can manually import links. So I will go with test. So I'll post just hi. Posting interval, let it be short, I don't know, or for example the best one is long. Then there is an option to choose AI variations. For example, let's try and you understand what it means. With AI it creates the variations of your text. You can edit it, and here you can review it. I'll recreate it. So here it is. To the first group it will be posted hey everyone, then hi everyone to the last two. So I confirm it, and then I just post now, click post now, confirm, and we are waiting. It is finished, so posted successfully, as you see. You can see the task in your history. I have tested one more, so you can view details, which group to which group it was posted. So you can use this tool. It is very useful and good. So have a nice day. Goodbye.